Hello guys, this is me Harry and you're watching my YouTube channel Learn It. And in this video tutorial I gonna unbox the best, the cheap and the professional tripod. This company name is Icon and this is a professional tripod I buy from Amazon. You can also buy, I will provide the link in the description box. So let's get started our video. So first of all I gonna unbox. So I just open the bag and now you can see here in the package, here is the main Icon tripod and this is the bag and this is the build with the good quality. So I just put here the bag and now I remove the package and now you can see this is the professional tripod. And here is some main function how to manage and adjust the size. And you can see here is the two steps. You can increase the length, okay. Just open this and increase the length and I just close this and I will open it later and I will show you. And you can see this is also the function you can increase your height. To move this, just move this like this and you can see it's moving up. See here there's the size are increasing if you move up and down, and size are moving, you can adjust the size. Okay, so this is for adjusting the size. And here is the main at the top, you can see where is the handle. Yes, and here is the handle, this is handle. And now you can here adjust your camera, any DSLR camera. And if you have a mobile phone you can adjust here the mount for your phone. You can see this is, and you can remove this, just open the lock and just, you can see here you adjust here your camera or your mobile phone, here the pin, you just move and just adjust your camera or your mount for your mobile phone. Okay, so just here again and just lock it. Yeah, do like this and then again lock it like this, just press it and you can, if you want to remove you can just unlock and then you can pick up. And now here this is the handle for moving your tripod up and down in any position. And if you tight this you cannot move up and down easily. Yeah, we can move. Okay, if you lose this now you can move it easily. And these are the main functions. And here also this is for moving your tripod like this in this position. If you tight this you can move. Okay, you can move this. Okay, so now I just increase the length and shows you how much it's lengthy and how the main functions. And I will put my camera here and then I will show you.